What is up, everybody? It's me, Jake. We're back with another video. Today we're just gonna play some Bendy and Ink Machine, as usual. Hold up, I gotta turn my full screen on. We're just gonna play Bendy and Ink Machine. Last time I said I was gonna play Bendy and Ink Machine, so here we are. We're gonna play Bendy and Ink Machine. Hold up, let me just do something real quick. Okay, this should work. So we're playing Bendy and Ink Machine, and I've actually played this game before. I have a bunch of saves, but we're obviously going to start a new one because I don't want to continue these. So make sure you guys are subscribed and hit the bell so you never miss a video. And let's get started. So I'm actually just going to go save. Let's do a new game. Dear Henry, it seems like a lifetime since we worked on cartoons together. 30 years really slips away, doesn't it? If you're back in town, come visit the old workshop. There's something I need to show you. Your best pal, Joey Drew. Oh. So we're just doing some normal Bendy. I mean, I gotta play it. I'm okay. Where are we? The game. Moving pictures. Oh my god.
All right, Joey. I'm here. Let's see if we can find what you wanted me to see.
Okay. Discover Joey's secret. Search the workshop. I actually forgot to play this game because it's been a long time I played it. Oh god. Where do I go? I'm just...
Hey, here's my old desk. I wasted so much time on this chair.
Hold on, I need to turn... The volume is so loud. I have to go in there.
Looks like they knocked out a wall or two after I left. Guess it took a few people to replace me.
Oh, we can sprint? I didn't even know. Okay, we have... Oh, that's so bright. Work hard, work happy. That is... We're just gonna search around the place. I mean, it did say search the workshop, so we're just gonna search around. I forgot how to play this game, so... Art department, machine, theater, and break room. Oh, that's creepy. Okay. Do we go to the ink machine? I mean, we can't open these over. We can't open these doors. Oh, yep, we're in the ink machine.
This lift could use a few dry cells.
Okay. Where do I put it? Is it morning here? Like, it's so bright. Oh, god.
Let's see what you're hiding down there, old friend.
Why is it so bright up there? That is sick! Turn on the egg machine. Locate the power station. Okay. Oh wait, the door opened. Never mind. I'm not going in there. I'm not gonna go in there. You know. I mean, that's what they say. Okay, bake. Wait, what? What was that? I just collected. And then you cut out. Okay. Okay.
Alright, how do I get this to work?
Machine. Locate the and place the objects. Holy cow!
Who put this here?
Okay, I'm just gonna. Oh my god! What happened to this dude?
Joey, what were you doing?
Oh my god! Okay, I'm just gonna collect that. Just gonna go in here. Oh my god! What was that? That was like insane. So where do I...
At this point, I don't get what Joey's plan is for this company. The animation sure aren't being finished on time anymore, and I simply don't see why we need this machine. It's noisy, it's messy, and won't even
Oh my
that much
god.
ink anyway. Also, get this. Joey had each one of us donate something from our workstation. We put them on these little pedestals in the break room. To help appease the gods, Joey said. Keep things going. I think he's lost his mind. But hey, he writes the check. But I tell you what, if one more of these pipes burst, I'm out of here.
Okay. I think that's one of Joey's workers, if I'm not wrong. Oh, bacon soup. Okay, I'm just gonna collect some of these bacon soup because I don't know why I actually need it. Is this the theater? It's like this world's smallest theater. I'm gonna keep going. I think we also need hold up. So what items do we need? We need this, I already have that, and we have this. We don't have a gear, we don't have a book, we don't have a disc, and we don't have that. Okay. We're gonna have to search for all of that, huh? Okay, I'm really sad that I walked really slow. I'm not going back there. I'm not going back there. Maybe I didn't go down here though. I didn't go down here. Oh, we can play darts. Wait, what? 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, I teleported. Oh, there's the book. Okay. Bunker. Bunker. Okay, we found a. Oh crap, what's happening? Oh, I think I should turn on. I'm actually gonna turn on motion blur because it looks way better. I'm gonna go in this room though. Right? I'm gonna go in this room. 3, 2, 1. Oh, that's nice. Wow. Is there anything? Oh, there's a disc. Bendy. That's a disc. Bendy. Okay, I'm just gonna go through here. Okay, is there anything I missed here? Wait, what? Like, is there anything in the trash cans? Like, is there anything I missed? There's nothing. Literally nothing. Literally. Okay, wait, so what item? We need a gear. I think that's the last one. I'm not sure. Okay, we need to find a gear. I'm gonna check around. Nice. We're just gonna. Wait, I'm just gonna close that. Where's a gear? Like, can I find a gear? Like, is there no gear? Okay, I'm just gonna go this room. There's what? There's the art department. I'm gonna go back to the ink machine because I think I need to insert the items there. Okay. Where is a gear? Oh, there's a gear. Yeah. Can I not jump down? Oh, there it is.
Okay, that's all of them.
Okay, so where do I put them now? Put them in this charging station? Did I miss something? Okay, that's all. So I'm gonna go back to the power room. Remember that thing? Okay, I'm gonna go back to the power room. I think I've opened all the doors. Okay, the cutout disappeared. The cutout disappeared. What do you mean low power? You grab all of them though. I mean low pressure. Okay. Oh, you put them on there. Why do items?
Now I just need to get the ink flowing somehow. Should be a switch around here somewhere. Then I can start up the main power.
Store ink. Locate the pressure valve. Okay. Nothing. it's over there because I saw no ball. What was that? Huh? How did that move? Oh. Oh, that's so bright. Okay. Is this the wall? Is this? Yep, in pressure. Okay. Oh! Oh, that's disgusting. Disgusting. Okay, we're just gonna go now. So now what do I do? Well, turn on the. I'm gonna turn on the egg machine. And what? I already turned on the egg machine. Look at me. Wait. Okay. I'm just gonna go through here. Okay. Is it over here? Oh, yep, ready. Mom in the background. Hello? Hello? It got darker. There's footsteps. Who's right there? This floor. What is that? What is that? Okay, sure. I'm good at doing that. Oh gosh. Oh, what is happening? Wait, I can't go in here. Oh, this place is flooding. What is going on? Oh crap. Oh, what is happening? Wait, what? Oh my god. Oh, leave me alone, leave me alone. Where do I go? Oh, exit. Exit. Come here. Wait, what? Oh crap. That was one of the more. Wait, oh my god. What is that, dude? Is that Bendy? I think that was Bendy.
It's dark and it's cold, and it's stuck behind every single wall. In some places, I swear this conversing ache is clear up to my knees. Whoever thought that these running pipes could hold up under this kind of strain? And I know something about pressure I don't, or is some kind of thing. But the real worst part about all this are the noises the system makes, like a dying dog in its last legs. Make no mistake, this is this machine, and this whole darn thing, it just isn't natural. You can bet I won't be doing any more repair jobs for Mr. Joey Drew.
Oh my god. So who exactly created Bendy? Did you guys seriously want to create it? Okay. Okay. So. Okay. Okay. Slower. Wait, how is it dreaming? You know what? Never mind. I'm gonna ask. Can you open? Okay, now what? Here? Oh, follow your path. An axe may come in here. I don't even have an axe. Where's an axe? Oh, there it is.
This will definitely come in handy.
Yo, I can attack people now. Oh, there. I chop. Okay, go inside. Chop this. Or chop. Oh, there. Oh, I chopped this. Bang, 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 bang. to chop everything up, bro. Chop, chop. No bang. No bang. Bang. No bang. No bang. No bang. 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 I need to chop this random door off. It's a ritual. It's a ritual. I can't do it. I can't do it. I'm going in the ritual. You do it? Open that door! Oh man. Hello? No, okay. Okay. I like how you. Hello?
Oh, my head. What happened?
Chapter 2.
Well, I guess there's only one thing to do. Press on. See if I can find a way out.
Okay, guys, I have to continue. I might have to continue chapter 2 later because this is gonna take a while and it's definitely not going to go like so. Like I'm gonna have to continue chapter 2 later, in like next time. So make sure you guys hit the bell so you never miss a video like this, and make sure y'all subscribe and have a good day. Bye. Bye.